Uh, Hello, teacher. Hello, classmate. My name is Daniel Chinome, and today I am going to presentation this topic, uh, consonants and vowel sounds. Okay, let's start. Let's continue with monophthong sounds. Shape, set, vet, cat, car, through, book, whose. Repeat. Shape, set, vet, cat, car, through, book, whose. Bait, sofa, fear, beer, through, tour, praise, house, choice. Repeat. Bait, sofa, fear, beer, tour, praise, house, choice. Let's continue with sound of diphthongs. Okay, the first is day, time, boy, house, fear, fear, pure, choice. Repeat. Day, time, boy, house, fear, fear, herb, choice. Let's continue with the sound of consonants. At first is bat, cat, dog, fish, goat, hat, jet, K, lamp, map, nut, pen. Repeat. Bat, cat, dog, hat, jet, key, lamp, map, nut, pen. Queen, ran, san, top, ban, win, box, box, sorry, yellow, sue. Repeat. Queen, run, sun, top, ban, win, box, yellow, sue. It's all. Thank for listening to me and goodbye.